Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Kia Soul headlight. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and a new H11 bulb. Always ensure your engine is off and the parking brake is engaged for safety before starting any work. Then, open the hood of your Kia Soul and locate the headlight assembly you need to replace. This simple preparation makes the entire process much smoother. Now, let's get that headlight assembly out. You'll typically find 2 or 3 screws securing the top of the assembly. Remove these carefully. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire assembly forward. It should unclip from its lower mounts. Finally, press the release tab on the electrical connector and disconnect it completely. This frees the assembly for bulb access. With the assembly free, it's time to replace the bulb. Twist the old bulb counterclockwise to remove it from its housing. When handling the new H11 bulb, be very careful not to touch the glass with your bare hands, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Insert the new bulb into the housing, then twist it clockwise until it securely locks into place. To finish up, reconnect the electrical connector to the headlight assembly. Carefully slide the assembly back into its original position, ensuring the lower clips engage, and then secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Before you hit the road, make sure to test your new headlight to confirm it's working perfectly. Also, for a fresh car, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Enjoy your bright new light.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.